it's your girl Anusha Loves here with more natural health, beauty and wellness tips. Now, before I crack on with my first tip, don't forget to like and subscribe. My first tip of the day is coffee. That's right. So after you've had your morning cuppa, all you need to do is collect those granules and you are good to go. Coffee has so many benefits. It's not only going to exfoliate the skin, removing any dead skin cells, it's going to stimulate the skin, increase blood flow, and just leave you with an all-round better glowing complexion. So, here's how you do it.
That's those eyes. Oh no, and now you've blocked me. Guess Cupid shot me, I see it in your eyes, in your eyes.
Now my second tip is bicarbonate of soda. Now bicarbonate of soda is something that we all have in our kitchen and it has so many benefits, not just for cooking. It's going to balance the pH of your skin, it's a great exfoliant, it's an anti-inflammatory, and it's going to shrink any of those pesky pores. So, here's how you do it. Beautiful people, that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed some more natural health, beauty and wellness tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget you can check out my previous videos on my channel as well, and I know it's a really difficult time right now for everyone, so it's really important that now more than ever we love everyone, and in order to do that we must love ourselves. So look after yourselves, stay safe and God bless.